Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix security threat detective problem on Roblox. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Play Store and update your Roblox apps. Search bar, now search for Roblox apps. It is already updated. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap one apps. Scroll down, now search for your Roblox apps. Now tap one Roblox apps. Scroll down, now tap one storage. Clear cache. Now tap one permission. Now all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and restart your device. Go to your Roblox. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.